All right, so before we kick things off here, I thought it would be appropriate before we put this on the wall of music behind me to open this thing up and see what we got. Somebody asked which version it was. It is Living Legend. Sorry, there we go. It is the Living Legend version that you can see right there. So let's open it up and see what we get. Have to go kind of old school here. Let's see. You just gotta get it started, really. No, let me just. Do I saw it? It's hard because it's so big. Oh, God. Oh. I'm gonna have to use my mouth. There we go. It works every time. All right. There we go. Get rid of that nonsense. Garbage. For those of you that are watching now that are avid watchers of unboxing videos, that's not me, bro. Oh, look at that. Just opens right up. Oh, you got to smell it? ASMR, baby. Body to body. Hooligan. Aliens. Fire 2.0. Number 29. Swim. Merry-go-round. Normal. Like animals. They don't know about us. One more night, please. Into the sun. Oh, yeah. I guess I'll give you the close-up. There we go. Whoa. Oh, maybe I do have to give you the medium. Whoa. ARIRANG. Whoa, there's all kinds of stuff going on here. It says RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V, Jungkook, Cookie. Whoa. This is serious business. Is that in focus for you? It doesn't seem in focus. But not really? Okay, let's see if we can fix that before we dive deeper. Is that better? It looks better. Yes. Okay, there's no reason to scream. Okay, good. Let's just slowly take this off. Oh. Oh, it's like she wants to come off. Just keep this right over here for later. RM, Jin, Sugar. Why is it out of focus? Damn you, camera. You're ruining album time. Okay. Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V, Jungkook. Oh, oh, so much to look at, so much to touch. Ooh, fancy. BTS. Credits. Little Black Book. Ooh, I need some body to body. All of your body beside me. Crowd looking like a campus. Oh, well, gonna have to get in there. Oh, whoa, there are a lot of cards in here. What? It's like they knew it was mine. Oh, there's even more. So excited. Oh boy. Junie, Jin, Suga, Hobie, Chum Chum, V, Cookie. Mm, mm. Set these off to the side for later. Oh boy. They're getting even bigger. Junie, Jin, Suga, Hobie, Chum Chum, V, Cookie. These also seem to be cards that you can punch out right here. The frame goes right here. Seems to be the exact same size as that right there. Card. But yes, as Rondo says, you could make a standee out of this if you were so inclined. Or you could do what most of us will probably do and just set them up on your nightstand so they watch you sleep. Not weird at all. BTS assemble! Scratch and sniff stickers. Adedang. I don't know. 22. Adedang. Track list. Adedang. Wee. OT7. Adedang. You're welcome. Oh, wait, there's more. OT7. Track list. I don't know. Constellation 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How to get home. Tattoos. Yes, they're tattoos that you can put on yourself or your loved ones or strangers trying to make them army. I'm sure some of you want me to turn my mic up to 11 and let you hear all of the paper crackling and lip smacking and fingernails luluing, but I'm not set up for that. Also, I think it might kill 3 of you, and I'm not prepared for that level of responsibility. Let me do that again. This is probably the most accurate Army album opening ever. I'm trying extremely hard to take the light reflection off of Cookie's face and keep it out of the way so that none of this is blocked. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 14 tracks. Oh, oh. I wasn't expecting that. Whoa. Oh. It's different. Oh. Whoa. Okay, let's be adults about this. Okay, let's start here. That's what was meant to happen. Get it together, camera. He's right there. Gimme looks good. Roscoe's Man. Driver's license. Adidang. Tuna. Yungi. Juga. Yungi. J. J Hope. Obi. Fringe. Chum Chum. Jimin. Hands. Hands. Neck. Oh, God. V. 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 I hope he sees that. Jungkook. Cookie! Tattoos. OT7. Worldwide handsome. J. Junie. Cookie! Yoongi. V. Chum Chum. Aww. Family photo. Look how happy they are to be back together. Also, Fringe. That's my boy. Laughs like windshield wipers. Baby deer. Bias wrecker. Brilliant. Also cat. Chim Chim. We love him. He's beautiful. Eighth member, the shoulder. Neck. Rockstar. This seems like it's turned the wrong orientation. It's not. Junie falls down a lot. This is also not to scale. Accurate to life. It's June's moment. We're trying to take it. Windshield wipers fuse from the side and just has to be heard. Jin. Super Tuna. Worldwide handsome. Loves video games. Giant shoulders. Yoongi. Suga. August D. From Daegu. Brilliant writer and producer. Cat. J-Hope. Hobie. Sunshine of the group. J. Still fringe. It's fine. Born to be on stage. The world's best friend. Jimin. Chum Chum. Takes care of his boys. The boys take care of him. He is the best friend that should live in your pocket and always takes care of you. status. Left shoulder guy. Djibouti. This jacket is not mid-swing of the photo. The jacket understands how much the booty should be respected and clear for the photo. Nothing will block Djibouti. Jacket understands. V. 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 Taehyung. Old soul. Dirty jazz. Muscles. Neck. Cookie. Jungkook. Tattoos. Curiosity. Voice. Wonder. Vocal monster. Athlete. Good at every damn thing and it pisses everybody else off. Sick of it. Senior picture day. J. RM. Rap Monster. Junie. Namjoon. June. Roscoe's Man. God of Destruction. Jungkook. Cookie. JK. Jimin. Shoulder. Jimin. Jin. Worldwide Handsome. Taehyung. V. V. Yoongi. Brilliant. Cat. June. Jun Jin. Jun Jin. Senior picture day. That's the pose. Jin Suga. Suga Jin. Suga Jin. Yoongi. Cole. This moment is for JoJo. Don't worry, I'll wait. Neck. Hobie. J. J-Hope. Jack in the Box. More. Hobie Palooza. J. J-Hope, J, Chum Chum, Jimin, the best friend. Everybody needs a pocket Jimin. Need I say more? You can smell how good of a friend he is. And it's true. V. Tay. The old soul, the dirty jazz. This is not Tata Mike face. This is different. Due to the safety and security of this stream, I cannot show you the rest of this poster. Jungkook. Cookie. Delicious cookie. The voice. One voice to rule them all. He knows you've been naughty, and he sees you. He's watching you. Okay, just for a minute, though. Yes, Yoongi gets two. Deal with it. It's my show. Tuna. I'm going to call this stream You're Welcome. And I think that's all I need to say. Normally, in moments like this, we say, oh, there's a little something for everybody. But in the Living Legends set, there is a lot for everyone. Satisfied.